everybody, TwistNCoils here. So today I'm doing an unboxing video. I was sent this hair from Shake and Go, and it's the Freetress oval part crochet wig, and they also sent another pack of the Freetress deep twist 22-inch hair. Okay, so right off the back, I'm super excited to open this package. Who doesn't appreciate it? A style that you can get in less than an hour. This definitely could be a part of my 2 hours or less series that I was doing here on my channel. So just taking a wig out the pack. Okay, so immediately as I'm filling the wig, when I'm taking it out, I could tell that they used a mesh cap on the wig. So, which is, you know, the same cap that you would use if you were crocheting a wig yourself. And they sent the color 1B. Okay, this wig is very pretty. I really love the curls on this wig. We all love deep twists. And here I'm just showing you the inside of the wig. So as you can see, there's the mesh. It has combs and a drawstring there. And I'm just gonna place it on the mannequin so you can see how it looks here. And you can easily do a leave out or you can add braids, and that's what it's saying there. Very convenient style that you can do. So I'm thinking between 3 to 4 braids would be sufficient enough to have a really full look if you wanted to add the pack of hair as well. So here, just zooming in a bit to show you the combs, and there are 7 combs on the wig. You have 3 combs around the oval part area, and then you have 2 on each side, and then you have 2 in the back. I'm sorry, 1 on each side and then 2 in the back, so a total of 7. And you also have a drawstring in the back, so you can tighten the wig as much as you need to. So here, just showing you the length of the wig. Very nice length and very full. It's not over full, as you can see here. Spaced out just enough, not too much at all. So really appreciate that. And here I'm gonna show you the front of the wig, and as you can see, around the front is crocheted closer together. So you guys stay tuned for the full video. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and let me know if you tried the wig. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.